Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Richelle, and for today's video, I am going to share another work from home job opportunity. And the good thing about it is there's no experience needed and it's a non-voice position. So as we can see in our screen, the name of the company is 𝒐𝒏. If you have heard about this is actually one of the most famous agencies we have here in the Philippines that hire virtual assistants and provide trainings to new applicants. Let's continue checking the job offer of this company, 𝒐𝒏 Careers. And if we look at the salary, this is $600 to $800 per month. And this will be around 33,000 pesos to 44,000 pesos. So maybe depende siya kung magkano yung i-offer sa inyo or kung ano yung results ng assessment ninyo and yung interview. Now, we can actually click quick apply, but before that, let's check first the job description para alam naman natin kung ano yung ina-applyan natin na position. So, job description, 𝒐𝒏 acts as an administrative support to our clients in a remote setting. So the tasks include, but not limited into the following. So let's check the tasks. So transcription. So you will transcribe, preparing paperwork, scheduling of consultation with clients, preparing and emailing email reports, updating virtual files, build ongoing task list, oversees administrative task. Okay, so and more. So meron pa sigurong idadagdag dyan kasi sabi niya doon not limited to. Next, we have here our minimum qualifications. So good command of the English language. So it didn't say here fluent, okay, or American accent, but as long as you have good command of the English language, you can apply. So just practice more yung English communication skills natin. Of course, we have to pass the interviews needed for this job bago tayo makapag-training. Next, must be 18 years old and above. For our system requirements, we have Intel Core i3, i5, i7 or AMD equivalent is highly required. So required here. So, remember, yung lowest dito is i3. So we have to check our equipment as well. Windows or Mac is acceptable. At least 8 GB of RAM with 60 GB of free hard disk space available. So if you want to check these details, you can go to the start button of your laptop and then look for about PC. For our internet connectivity, 10 Mbps DSL fiber internet connection. Sabi niya dito, USB sticks, signal-based or wireless connections are not allowed. So preferred nila or required nila ang cable connected. This is also important, headset with noise cancelling feature and a high definition web camera. We have here the perks and benefits. Of course, you will be working from home, you will earn in dollars. Training is also included. So let's take advantage of the training that they will be giving because of course you will be learning a lot if you're going to have your training. And then of course, MST working time. So Manila Standard Time ang ating work hours. So you don't have to worry about our body clocks. Let's now check the application process. So just click quick apply and then you have to provide the information needed here, your first name, your last name, your home location, your phone number, your email address. Click save, and then here you have to prepare your resume, your cover letter. So it's important. You have here an option not to include, but it's better. Okay, it's best to include your resume and a cover letter para naman makita ng company kung ano yung mga skills na meron ka na, ano yung qualifications mo. And then please click continue. Okay, so after that, pagka na-click mo na yung continue, okay, so you have to, kasi yung post na to, job post, is nasa job street. Okay, so you can actually apply here. Ang mas maganda kasi dito, mas specific siya. You're applying for this specific position. If you go to the website of 𝒐𝒏, nandun lahat. So, mas maganda kung dito para sa specific position na to. So, just update your job street profile. This is also for your future use. If you want to look for another job, you can just go to the website and then search for the job offers available. So madaming companies ang nagpo-post sa job street. And then you have to review and submit. Okay, after that, you will be receiving an email if you are shortlisted for this position. You will be invited for an interview. So take note, this company, Cyberbacker, has two interviews. They have the initial interview and then the final interview. But before you go to the final interview, you will have an assessment first. Skill assessment sila. So meron silang ipapasagot sa'yo twice yon. Once you pass the initial interview, you will have another assessment before going to the final interview. And the good thing about that is after passing the final interview, you will be endorsed to your training. And of course, just remember na sa training, meron din mga assessments. Now, we are here sa website ng Cyberbacker. Okay, this is the company that posted that job post sa Job Street. Pero let's check first their website so we can know more about Cyberbacker. So Cyberbacker is again an agency and it is 100% work from home. So it allows you to work from home, free from traffic, and spend more time with your family. And of course, there's no dress code required. You will be working with awesome people. And of course, this is, I think, one of the most important things. Always get paid on time. So getting paid late can affect business. That's why here in Cyberbacker, you get paid on time. No delays, no hassle. So let's check here some of the benefits that they are providing. Of course, first and foremost, no work experience required. So this is what we want. Training provided, which is very, very helpful. Work from home, growth, job security and stability. Of course, we want to have a stable job. Obtainable promotion, so you will have a chance to be promoted. Profit share, opportunity to an all expense paid trip to the United States of America. And then we have here an in-house assistance for a healthcare benefit and more. So they will be discussing more information about their benefits once you get hired. And let's check first the frequently asked questions here. So we already know that they hire people with no experience and fresh graduates, 18 years old and above. And then let's check how much is the salary or the service fee range. So the potential service fee of a cyberbacker can reach up to $1,500. So maybe this is for people na mayroon ng mga experience or yung mga tao na medyo matagal na dito at nag-increase na ang kanilang mga sahod. And then the benefits, okay? So we already checked here a while ago. So this is good. They have HMO and then the training is paid. Okay? So I think this is one of the things na nakaka-discourage sa ibang applicants. If the training is not paid, they don't want to continue. But in this company, it's a paid training. And then, when is the best time to apply or take the initial interview? Our interviews and assessments are 24/7. However, off-peak hours are between 1 a.m. to 10 a.m. Manila time. So in this company, guys, if once you submitted or once you are invited for an interview, you have to click a link and then you have to wait sa waiting room para sa available na mag-i-interview sa'yo. So, hindi nila alam kung ilang minutes or ilang oras ka mag-aantay, but you just have to wait for your turn because a lot of applicants are also being interviewed. After the initial interview, you will be receiving the results within 24 to 48 hours dun sa email mo to let you know if you passed or not. And then if you passed, you will have another assessment and then you will be endorsed to the final interview. So guys, I hope this information I shared today helps. So let's take this chance na habang meron pa silang position available or habang hiring pa sila, let's just try to apply. Malay natin, eto na yung hinahanap natin na non-voice job position na gusto natin. And it's work from home. Again, no experience needed. Good luck and I hope this video helps. See you in our next video. Bye!